Hi, this is Dave with PC Tech Doctors. I'm here to do an unboxing of the Galaxy S10e. We had just done one of the S10 Plus. We actually got a good deal through Sprint of getting both of them. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Here you have two tape things in the back. As you see in my last video, I kind of fumbled the phone around trying to get them loose, so I pre-cut them, but I have not opened the box up yet. I assume it's going to be very much similar to the S10 Plus and a lot of what's inside of it. So let's open it up. Here we have, again, your directions and your eSIM lock, which we'll take out in a second. There is the notification that it does come pre-installed with a screen protector. And here's our S10e. Looks a little smaller. You have your single camera, or the lower end camera, I might as well say, than the S10 Plus. Pretty much similar in a lot of ways, the processor and things like that. It is a smaller screen. Here I could put it next to the S10 Plus so you can see them next to each other. And again, let's go back to the box. You have your plug right here. You have your OTG cable, the plug USB things. This is your wire for your, to charge your phone, and here's your AKG headphones. Now I know that mine had come with the free Samsung Bluetooth headphones, but I have to actually send away for it, sorry. And let's see if we can get this out. Let me put the phone down. Got this out, and again, it's just another book with the eSIM, and to open it up, it's just your getting started directions and your legal disclaimer. Okay, so might try to do a setup video later on. So if you do like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. If you do have any technology needs, need technology support, I do over the internet support through anywhere. As long as you can connect your computer to the internet, we can usually help you. Or if you need on-site or in-person help, we do service the areas between Fort Myers and Sarasota, Florida, on the beautiful Gulf Coast. With that said, have a great day.